Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from UOB to Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking through this on the ibkr web platform and UOB Internet Banking. First, head to the ibkr website and log into Account Management. Once you're in, click on Transfer and Pay in the top navigation bar, then go to Transfer Funds. You'll see your existing payment instructions grouped by currency and institution. Click the button that says Use a new deposit method. A drop-down will appear where you can select your currency, choose the one that matches your UOB account, whether that's Singapore dollars, US dollars, or another currency. Now select Bank Wire as your transaction method, then confirm your deposit currency again. A form will pop up asking for the amount you want to deposit. Enter the amount, then click Get Wire Instructions. This is where you'll see all the critical details: beneficiary, bank name, account number, SWIFT code, and your ibkr account reference number. Take a screenshot or write these down. You'll need them for the next step. Your ibkr account number goes in the beneficiary account field, not in the remarks field. Now open UOB Internet Banking and log in with your username and password. On the left panel, click Payment and Transfer, then select Overseas Transfer. At the top right corner, click the plus symbol to add a new recipient. If you've already saved Interactive Brokers as a payee, you can select them from your list instead. Fill in the recipient details using the information from ibkr. Enter Interactive Brokers as the recipient name, then input the beneficiary bank name, account number, and SWIFT code exactly as they appeared in your wire instructions. Next, select which UOB account you're transferring from, confirm the currency, and enter the amount. Review everything on the summary screen. Once you're happy with the details, complete the two-factor authentication to authorize the transaction. You'll see a confirmation message once it's submitted. The transfer typically takes 1 business day from UOB's side, and the funds should appear in your ibkr account within 4 business days, though many users see it arrive within a few hours. UOB will charge 0.125% commission with a minimum of 10 Singapore dollars and a maximum of 100 Singapore dollars, plus a cable charge of 30 Singapore dollars for most countries. You can check your ibkr activity or transaction history to confirm when the deposit arrives. And remember, the remitter name on the UOB transfer must match the name on your ibkr account. Third-party transfers will be rejected. And there we go, money transferred from UOB to Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.